Hey guys, welcome to our new home. So we've been getting a lot of requests for a home tour, and now that we've been settled for a couple of weeks and we're mostly unpacked in boxes and all of that kind of stuff, we wanted to show you guys around. Now this is not like a decorated home tour. We still have a couple of months probably of ordering things and getting everything in the places that we exactly want them to be in, but we wanted to show you guys just our new home, the layout, that kind of stuff, and so we're excited to bring you along. Come on. So I'm going to take you into the dining room first. This dining room I absolutely love. I love the darker color. I love the chandelier. Our table barely fits. It's a pretty big table, but we've got a big family. So yeah, it's just a great dining room, and yeah, it's going to be perfect for our family's needs and just to have our big family gathered around the table. I'm super excited. We haven't had many meals at this table because we've mostly been outside. I'll show you that pretty soon, but I love this dining room. Come on into the kitchen. So this is our kitchen, and I love the open layout. Doing a lot of cooking in our double ovens, which is great when you have a huge family. It certainly helps out, and I just love the white backsplash and big old refrigerator, which helps with having a lot of kids. That's definitely useful for us, and so yeah, I'm super excited about this kitchen. It's just open to the family room and all of that, and just is a great place for entertaining and just for feeding all those children, so love it. This is our family room, and I love that there's big windows. We need to get some curtains on the side, and we'll decorate this a little bit more. But for the initial setup, I really like it. It's nice and open and just a great place to hang out as a family. I love how it looks over the backyard, and you can just watch the children playing in the backyard from really a lot of these rooms, and so it's super fun. We'll give you a closer look at the backyard here pretty quick. So before we go any further, this video is in collaboration with Lowell Mattresses, and we are super excited because they have sent us a mattress for Kira, and she was really in need of a mattress when we were moving. Her mattress was old, and we were looking for a good mattress to replace it, and so we're super excited that Lowell Mattresses reached out to us, and they have delivered one today. So we are gonna go open it up and set it up. Kira's not here right now. She is with her cousins out of town, and so Penelope and I are going to set this up for her, and she has a new bedspread and everything, so we're super excited to surprise her when she gets home. So let's do this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! Look, Penelope came in.
Oh my god, this is super big.
We might need Daddy to help us move this. This is a big mattress.
I think we can do it.
You think we can do it?
Yeah.
Okay, Penelope and I are gonna
We're
check.
strong.
We're strong girls. We can do this.
This is for the girls, not for the boys. Slowly, this long.
Yeah, we can do
Hashtag girl power.
You hold this side.
it. You got it? So we are gonna open this up and let it fluff out, and then we're gonna set her bed up. We're so excited about this.
This is what this is how you do it.
Yeah. Read the instructions. Look at this, guys. So it's all folded up nice and neat in there.
This is
so
so
cool.
nice.
Yeah, it does look really nice. Okay, let's fold it sideways.
Okay.
Got it. There we go. Nice.
Oh my god.
This looks really nice. Watch out, watch out. It's coming. Going by itself. Oh, there you go.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Can we open it?
Uh-huh. Okay. You can do that side. Okay. There you go. Can you pull it that way? Nice. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. She's gonna love this. I'm so excited to surprise her. It fluffed up really nicely, like very quickly unfolded.
Oh.
Is it comfortable?
Are you making bed angels?
I guess so.
I guess so.
Nice. Looks good.
That is nice.
You guys are crazy. This is so comfortable. I cannot wait for Kira to come home and lay on this mattress. She's going to absolutely love it.
So
And
good.
this is probably the most comfortable mattress in our home at this point. We might have to order a few more, right?
It was my favorite.
It's your favorite?
Yeah.
We might need to get a matching one for you. You and Kira match
That'd
on
be great.
anything else. We're gonna put her bedspread together and just see the final result now. I love this bedspread that Kiera picked out online. It's a cute little Japanese bedspread and has strawberries, and it's adorable. I cannot wait for her to get home in a couple of days and see her new mattress that's so comfortable. The new bedspread is just the perfect completion to her new room. So a huge thank you to Lowell Mattresses. We are so pleased with this mattress. It has exceeded our expectations, incredibly comfortable. So if any of you are in the market for a new mattress, Lowell Mattresses is giving our subscribers $150 off, plus a 100-day risk-free trial and free shipping. So you really can't go wrong there. And their mattresses are so comfortable. So we highly recommend. All of their information is linked in the description box below, so check them out. We are super pleased with them. And now let's check out the rest of this house. So now I'm gonna take you guys into our master bedroom to complete the downstairs tour. And this is our master bedroom.
Yay!
I love this light fixture. It's so cute. Our bedroom looks over the backyard again with all the mature trees. It's just beautiful. Steven just put this desk together for me this morning. I was in need of a desk, and this one does the trick. It's very nice. So now I'll take you into the master bathroom. And I love how bright this room is. And I really like that there are separate vanities. Hers. And his.
As it should be.
Then we have a tub over here.
Nice
And
cozy tub.
love the closet space, and they had left a chandelier in the closet, which I thought was a great touch. And last but not least, a nice big shower, which I love. So to complete the downstairs, we have a half bath here.
Oh, hello.
Hi guys. And our laundry room with our washer and dryer that we very much appreciate. So let's head upstairs. I want to show you the kids' rooms and the game room. So this side over here is the boys' rooms and the boy bathroom, so I'll show you those first. So these are our little boys' rooms, and this is Lincoln's crib, and we just set up this bunk bed for Ethan. So he gets a bunk bed like the big boys, and he's super excited about that. This is the first time for Ethan and Lincoln to be sharing a room, so we didn't know how that was going to turn out, but it's actually been going really well. They're sleeping well at night, they're not waking each other up, which was my big fear. So it's working out so far, and I'm super excited about that. So let's head over and see the big boys' room. We've got a bathroom right here. Loved this shower curtain. I know you guys saw that in the other vlog, but I thought that was so cute. And then this is Jude and Liam's room. And they've got a big bunk bed and a cool light fixture. And over here, we're trying to figure out like a reading nook for them. So we're getting another beanbag chair, and then we're gonna do maybe some shelving along this wall where they can put all of their books and things. They are avid readers, and so we need a nice big space for them to have all of their books and toys. So that's gonna be a project in the near future that we'll be working on. We have some stuff that we've ordered, so we're excited about that. That will be one of our next projects. So over here is the girls' rooms and the game room. And this is a room that we still have a lot of work to do. I'm thinking through like shelving and stuff because we homeschool, so we're gonna need to do some sort of storage system over here. So we haven't put anything on the walls yet because we're just figuring out what we want to do with this space. But it's a nice big space. The kids have been enjoying it. And we've got like a little TV area over here, and we have a couch coming so that we can have like the media area over there, the homeschooling room over here. And so that's awesome. And Reese's room is off to the side here. This was an add-on, so we're gonna have to put like a sliding door here, which she thinks is super cool. But we haven't got that yet. And this is Reese's room, which is such a cool teen room. She is super excited about it. She's done a little bit more decorating, but we need to order a headboard for her, and then we're gonna put some shelving up over here for her shoes. And that should probably complete her room. But she's thrilled. This is such a cool room, and we love this. This is one of the first things we noticed about this house when we looked, was this room. And she was like, Mom, we've got to get this house. So really happy that it worked out. Super, super cool. And then Penelope's room is over here. So the girls' bathroom is here, and we're already brainstorming ideas for how we want to decorate in here and paint, and looking on Pinterest a whole lot for cute girl ideas. And so we're going to be doing that project as well pretty soon. And then this is Penelope's room in here. and she just got this new bedspread that she picked out. She loved the stripes and the pink and her little desk area and her ruffly curtains, and so this is cute. We'll have to do a few things in here as well, but she's thrilled with this space, so super fun. Let's go outside to the backyard and I want to show you guys. The kids are playing back there and it is one of our favorite parts of the whole house. I love this deck. This entertaining space is amazing. This is why we bought this house, because this backyard is perfect for our family, and our kids spend hours outside every day. We've been eating dinner outside here most evenings if the weather permits, and it's super, super fun. We even have a slide off of the deck, which the kids absolutely love. But you gotta watch out, it goes pretty fast.
Go down it.
You want me to go down it?
Go down it.
Steven's telling me to go down this thing. You guys want me to go down?
Yeah. Comment down below if you think she should go down it.
Comment down below, guys. I'm in heels.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Ready? Okay.
So as you can see, we've got a trampoline, and I love that it's pretty much built into the ground so the kids can just hop right on, not have to climb up ladders and that kind of thing. And we've got lights hung up out here. The kiddos love the swing area. You guys want to say hi?
Hello.
Playing outside, and I love just how shady it is.
It's the spider.
You guys look like a spider.
I say, look.
Whoa! I'm gonna get you.
Whoosh. Ready, Penelope? Ready? Ready?
Oh my God. No.
You guys got a fort going up there, huh? Sleep up there? That's a cool idea. Could have like a camping trip up there, huh? That would be funny.
Yeah, sleep on trampoline.
I love the lights up there, though,
This
guys.
is a great
That's
place
so
to
cool.
do a sleepover.
Yeah.
Y'all should camp out here tonight.
You want to do it tonight?
Yes.
Oh, that would be pretty fun.
Go get your sleeping bags.
That would be cool. Yeah, we could try it out. Or on the trampoline, yeah. So that's it, guys. That is our home tour. We hope you enjoyed. As I said before, we'll definitely give you guys an updated home tour once we get everything decorated and all of that. But we wanted to let you guys go ahead and see where we've settled, and we're just loving it so much.
Seriously.
You guys have been here the entire process as we found this home and bought it and moved in, and so thank you for all of your encouragement and support. We absolutely love it. It's such a blessing, and we cannot wait to have many more memories and videos here in this home. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks, guys.